my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Rue, and I got another unboxing to do. This is a tech unboxing again, and as you can see what I have here, it's a Blueair air purifier Joy S. So this is a pretty plain looking box. Not much to see here. So this is the side. This side, you can see the same thing. But it does say this side up though, so push it back up. And let's open it. There you go. So, comes with nicer packaging. Let's try to put it out. Oops. So it says here again, Blueair air purifier, 17 meters per square foot. I don't know, 185 feet. So this covers 185 feet for this little Joy S model. Okay. It says here small and compact yet powerful, very low energy usage, customizable, pretty good the colors. I don't know what that means. Yeah. So look at the side of the box. Got some product shots here. There are some more product information there, and some more product information telling us how this thing actually works. Change filter, a piece of cake. So what's included in the box? We have particle plus carbon filter and a sandwich filter, and of course the air purifier itself. Okay, you can see that, and a lot more mumbo jumbo here. So let's open it up. Welcome to Clean Air Movement. Headquarters in Stockholm, Sweden. Blueair is a leading provider, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna read all that. So we're greeted with the user manual. Definitely English. Okay, interesting stuff. And we have a pre-filter fabric. So I guess this thing goes outside of the air purifier. Pretty nice stuff. See? You install it outside of the filter. Okay. The filter itself. Oh, okay. It's not really heavy. Nothing else in the box. Ooh. Looks kind of nice. So it says here, model Blueair model Joy S. China, designed in Sweden, made in China. Okay. Oh, this thing's magnetic. So it comes with a trimming plug. Low side. So this model is one of the cheapest model So it doesn't come with much of a function except for turning it on, and it switches between low, medium and high speed, and basically that's what it does. So open up the bottom, and hope you guys can see that there's a fan in there. Basically it's a empty shell with the filter inside to filter all the impurities in the air. Right, I just plugged it on, and turn it on. Okay, it's very touch sensitive, it's not a button. So this is low mode. I don't think you can hear anything. This is medium. That's pretty loud. From low to medium. That's high. Oh, that's pretty loud. Again, that's low. Doesn't sound like it's on. But anyway, that's the unboxing for the Blueair air purifier model Joy S. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and again, I'll see you guys next time.